What's going on YouTube? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I appreciate you guys clicking to watch this short little video. Today we are here at a local Lexus dealer that is doing remodeling, just like the Nissan dealer that we looked at in the previous few videos. But anyway, so we're here to check out the inventory levels as well as also the pricing situation at this local dealership. So far, if you haven't seen the previous videos, those are in the history or in the description. But so far we have reviewed Nissan, Chevy, Ford, Toyota, GM, Buick, and I might be forgetting some other ones, but here we are today at Lexus to check out these inventories. So let's start over here because I believe these are some new models here. But as you can see here, they have cars, which is kind of different than, you know, Ford, Chevy, and some of the other dealerships that we've been to, because they all looked like had trucks only. So curious to see what these are going for, if they got markups. So let's check them out. So Lexus, the first one we'll check out here is a Lexus. So this is a 24 model. So these have actually 24 models versus all the other places. Most of them had 23. So 24 NX350, MSRP with all the options 53 grand. So this one here has some add-ons. So nitrogen, that seems to be the favorite on markup options, and this one also has a window tint for $499. So looks like this Lexus dealership has at least about $700 in add-ons. All right, here's another one, 24 350 F Sports. So this one's got an extra add-on, nitrogen door edge for $300 and window tint for $500. So this one, it's got an extra $1,000 of added on options, and that seems to be the pattern at this Lexus dealership. Same, this one is a GX 460, nitrogen, windows tint, door edge guards. Surprised they're not charging you for the window tint on this one. That's a deal. Come get this one. It's a $500 savings for a free window tint. Alright, so this one they do charge you for the window tint. So 23 GX model. So it looks like another $500 add-on on this one as well. So there you have it. So far on all of these new ones, they got a markup of up to $1,000 so far, and it continues on their sedans as well. So there's a 23 IS300, window tint, edge guards, nitrogen. Oh, the window tint on this is $700. So obviously, because you got to get that front windows. So there you go. $700, $1,200 so far, up to $1,200 markups. Here's another one, 23 ES350. This one's just got the window tint and the nitrogen. I'm curious on why they chose to mix the options. Why not just make it standard for all of them? You know, nitrogen, edge guard, window tint. If you're gonna just do that as well, why leave it on some of them and not put them all on all of them? So 2023 years 350, again the same pattern, $1,200 in markups, and they do have plenty of them, so it doesn't look like they are very popular. There's plenty of sedans, as you can see. This whole row is all sedans. The other row is SUVs. This row is SUVs. Here's some sports coupes. So let's check these out and see what these look like. So these look like they're used models, certified. So then these are not going to have prices on them. So all right, let's swing over here. So there's some GX 450s. Let's see what these look like. So this is all pre-owned. Not going to be able to tell what these are going for. So yeah, looks like the situation here at Lexus is they do have plenty of stock as far as it goes as the SUVs and their sedans, and as well as used inventory. So you're not going to be having a hard time finding the Lexus you're looking for. But at least at this dealership, they're asking for up to $1,200 in added on options. So let's check out this row right here real quick. I believe these are also all certified pre-owned, so we're not going to be able to tell the prices on these. So yep, these are all certified pre-owned. So there you have it. This is Lexus dealership for you. Obviously it's not as full as it used to be, because I remember cars being on this row as well as this row, but they do have a fair amount of SUVs and sedans with up to a $1,200 markup. So again, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or want to see a different dealership or anything different, suggestion wise, appreciate those. Put them in the comments below. Other than that, please support the channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.